Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and I want to show you the Downtown Pet Supply doggy poop bags and dispenser that I got for my dog Rupert. I purchased this because we were going to be moving from one state to another, and I needed something that I could take on the road with us so that in case he has to get out on the side of the road, or in case we're staying at a hotel and there's no poop bags nearby, we had some with us. I'm super happy with this dispenser and the bags because the bags are sturdy. They've never torn or ripped on me. And the dispenser, it's super easy. You just unscrew it. It's just in the shape of a bone. You unscrew it and you insert the bags in here and you can screw it back. One of the best things about this poop bag dispenser is that it comes with this clip that we've just clipped right onto Rupert's leash. So it makes it super convenient. You don't have to carry an extra thing with you in your pocket or purse or anything. You can just clip it to his leash or her leash and it's always with them. Whether we're stopping at a gas station or a restaurant on the way, or whether we're at a park, it's always good to have so you don't get those looks for not picking up your dog's poop. And that's my point of view.